Data loss can be a nightmare for Shopify store owners, risking your business's success dramatically. Protecting your critical information is non-negotiable. Introducing Vault Backups, the ultimate solution to keep your store's data safe and sound. This automated system makes recovery quick and easy. Making significant changes to your store doesn't have to be terrifying. With product backups, errors can be corrected instantly, eliminating worries. Imagine a world where team mistakes don't lead to drastic setbacks. Product backups are designed to keep your store running flawlessly, even through training hiccups. Experimentation can lead to breakthroughs without the fear of irreversible mistakes. Embrace new strategies with the reassurance that product backups are at your side. With theme backups, any unintended issues from new apps can be swiftly addressed. It's your safeguard against complications while innovating your store's functionality. Your catalogs deserve protection as well. Collection backups ensure all your hard work is stored safely, allowing for stress-free updates and improvements. What if you could effortlessly track your store's changes and identify errors precisely when they happen? The activity feed does just that, offering clarity and control. Customer data can be a minefield of potential errors during bulk updates. Customer backups shield your list, allowing for seamless management and migration. Don't leave your order records to chance. Order backups simplify your operations by ensuring you always have access to critical sales information.